The greatest archaeological and historical discoveries are often found in the most unlikely of places. This was the case last December when construction workers were left in awe while renovating a men's prison in Gloucester, England. Intending to tear down and replace the old facility, the crew was forced to halt the project when they unearthed pieces of near ancient history. So, just what exactly was down there? Would you believe if I said it was a medieval castle? This is the old prison in Gloucester, England, that was scheduled to be torn down. No one could have predicted that a 12th century castle was hidden underneath it. Along with the still intact castle walls, some 900 artifacts were uncovered beneath the old prison. The artifacts ranged from pottery shards to bone dice. Archaeologist Neil Holbrook said, "We're surprised by what we found. We knew there was a castle, but had expected more of it to have been destroyed." The castle is believed to be the second of two built in the city of Gloucester. In its day, it would have been comparable in size to the White Tower at the Tower of London. The castle was likely built around the year 1110. The castle was torn down in 1787 and hadn't been seen since. Until now, that is. The plan was to excavate and protect all of the artifacts before the prison could be rebuilt. History really is hiding everywhere, huh? Can you believe such a valuable piece of the historical record was right under their feet for centuries? Makes you wonder what else there is out there to be found.